I will deal in detail with seizures that occurred in 2020 to 2022, but I want to deal with one seizure to give the Commission a practical example of the method described above.
Thank you, General. Just before you proceed, Commissioners, this is where we're going to flight some photographs just to demonstrate what the General is indicating. Proceed, General.
Thank you. On 30 July 2021, a ton of cocaine, it was in total 999 kilogram bricks, Commissioners, was seized in Durban at the LCS Freight Logistics Depot. The drugs were found at the back of a Scania shipping container containing truck parts. The container's port of origin was the port of Santos in Brazil. Scania was not aware of the cocaine in the container. The drugs were seized and taken to the Maiden Wharf police station. Prior to the DPCI arriving at the depot, members from border policing visited the company and placed a detention order on the container.
At this stage, show photo 1. So if you can just describe that photo, General.
The photo depicts containers, Commissioners, that's offloaded from vessels that docked in the harbour.
And then photo 2.
Commissioners, that is a photo that depicts the consignment of cocaine, or by then suspected cocaine, that was found in the back of the shipping container immediately upon opening the doors. There is of the blocks of cocaine with the logo W or M, depending on how you look at cocaine with the logo W or M, depending on how you look at it. Commissioner, the photo that's depicted there is of the blocks of cocaine with the logo W or M, depending on how you look at it, that was recovered from one of the bags after the wrapping of that bag was removed.
General, we're going to get to other seizures as well. If you could maybe at this stage just explain to the Commissioners the significance of the logos, so that W, or I think it is a W.
Commissioners, there's different logos that's being found on all these seizures. And the explanation for that is that it is the unique mark of certain individuals or a syndicate that's operating within the production space of the cocaine in, for instance, Colombia, that place their fingerprint or their identity to that brick of cocaine. That if there's in future a problem at the final destination, for instance, with the quality, it is clear from where that brick of cocaine is originating.
Because I'm sure they can't have their fingerprints on it and they can't exactly have a note that says, I'm the supplier.
Indeed, Commissioner, and that's why you will also find that there is perhaps multiple suppliers in one consignment that arrives in South Africa. And that's the reason why there will be multiple logos when such consignments are detected and seized.
Thank you, General. If we can go to photograph 4. If you can just describe what we're looking at now.
Commissioners, it's just another photo that depicts towards the bags of containing the cocaine in the back of the container. But I think what's also clear here is that it has handles. And the reason for that handles is to carry it easily. Because when criminals execute a rip-on, rip-off procedure, speed is of essence. You need to remove the exhibits with speed, obviously in the fear of being detected. And that's why it needs to be easy to carry these bags and place it in a vehicle or in a panel van, whatever mode of transport is being used, to then speed away with it undetected.
And then if I could just ask for you them to zoom in on the orange item there, and if you could just explain the significance of that item.
Commissioners, this is, as I've explained, duplicate seals. So it shows you the criminal network is so sophisticated that they even make provision for a duplicate seal to be placed once the narcotics is removed from the container. So once they've removed the cocaine from the container, they just close the doors and seal it with the duplicate seal. And when SARS, Customs, or the port authorities verify the actual seals with the bill of lading and other documentary evidence or documents that they have in their possession, there will be no suspicion that there was any contraband in that container.